Hey, Ryan here representing Microsoft, and today we're going to be talking about Researcher, a feature available in Word and OneNote for Windows 10 for every Microsoft 365 subscriber. The difference between a good and a great research paper can usually be found in the quality and credibility of the sources used by the author. Now, what if I told you that Microsoft 365 offers subscribers a way of finding that perfect piece of information, as well as taking care of the hassle of correctly citing the sources in your document? With Researcher at your side, finding and incorporating reliable sources and content for your research paper or essay can now be done in a few simple steps. You no longer need to spend hours going back and forth between your web browser and your Word document. With Research available within the Office app, you can explore material related to your topic, as well as add the appropriate citation all in one click. As I mentioned earlier, Researcher can be found in both Word and OneNote for Windows 10. But since it is a premium feature, it is only available to Microsoft 365 subscribers. Not only that, but you get access to all of your favorite premium Office apps, 1 terabyte of OneDrive cloud storage per user, and much, much more. Whether you want to organize your week or bring your ideas to life, Microsoft 365 is a subscription that makes your life more creative, organized, and secure. Researcher is a tool that will help you find credible sources for your essays, research papers, and any other type of document you might be working on. By using the Bing Knowledge Graph to pull in the appropriate content from the web, Researcher provides structured, safe, and credible information, giving you one less thing to worry about. Whether you've only started brainstorming ideas about your research topic or you're looking to add a few finishing touches, Researcher can help you every step of the way. To start using Researcher, open the References tab in Word and click on the Research button right below it. The Researcher window will appear on the right-hand side of your document with a search bar where you will enter your research topic. Having entered your topic, Researcher will give you access to relevant topics as well as top sources you can use to gather additional information, citations, and add images to your essay. Also, by clicking on one of the relevant topics, a new page opens up, giving you access to journals, websites, and books to use to increase the credibility and quality of your essay. Planning out your research paper is almost as important as actually writing it, and with the help of Researcher, getting inspired and structuring your document has never been easier. To start an outline, click on the plus sign next to each subtopic heading, automatically inserting a heading into your document, as well as opening a comment section next to it, which will include a link to that section within Researcher. Now that you've gathered the main subtopics for your research paper, it's time to start writing. Researcher makes it super easy for anyone to write quality papers efficiently. Once you find a piece of content that works for your paper, you can highlight the text directly and then instantly insert it into the document by clicking on Add. And don't worry about citations either. By clicking Add and Cite, your bibliography will be updated with the properly cited content. If the format of your bibliography doesn't suit the requirements of your document, you can modify it accordingly by scrolling down to the bibliography box and updating what needs to be changed. You can also open the Manage Sources window at any time in the References tab to edit, delete, and create new citations. Find an image you'd like to add to your paper? Just click on the plus sign next to the image and it will be immediately added to your document. Now, even though Researcher is an amazing academic tool, it isn't only available for students writing their thesis. You can also use it in OneNote for Windows 10. OneNote is great for organizing your thoughts, ideas, as well as taking notes. And whether or not those notes are for school, Researcher allows you to easily explore and research the material related to your content and add it to your notes without leaving OneNote. Microsoft 365 subscribers can use Researcher by selecting the Insert tab and clicking on the Researcher, which will open the same window on the right-hand side that we saw in Word. Now that we've covered the basics of Researcher, you can now confidently deliver your research paper or essay to your professor without worrying about citations, the reliability of your content, and the credibility of your sources. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please click on that like button. Also, leave a comment down below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button because we've got more videos coming out each week here on Expert Zone.